Hello everyone. So let's see this problem. Determine the series limit of Balmer-Paschen and Pfund series given the limits for Lyman series is 912 Armstrong. Okay. So see the problem is you have to determine the series limits for Balmer-Paschen and Pfund series. Okay. So and they have given that the limit for the Lyman series in is 912. Okay. Now see we have to just use one simple formula here. So we have formula that 1 upon lambda, that is the wavelength formula for the series limits. 1 upon lambda is nothing but the r in bracket 1 upon n square, okay, minus 1 upon m square. Now we know that the value of m and that is n and m. N is what the initial series limit, and you can say initial value for the orbit, and that m is the final value for the orbit. Now for any series limit, so final or the exceed value or the maximum orbital value, that is infinity. Okay, so you have to just consider value for m as a infinity here. So as you put out this value in the place of m, you will get the 1 upon lambda is equal to r in bracket 1 upon say n square minus 1 upon m is what? M is infinity. So you will get the infinity value in the division. So you know that, okay, here I am going to write. So we know that 1 upon 0 is nothing but the infinity. So it means 1 upon infinity is nothing but the 0. Okay. So as you know that 1 upon 0 it will become a infinity. So if 1 upon infinity, it will definitely become a 0. So we will get the simplified value for this formula, that is 1 upon lambda, okay, r into 1 upon n square, that is nothing but the 1 upon lambda is equal to r divided by n square. Okay. Now using this simple relation, we are going to find out the answer here. Now say they have given the series limit for the Lyman series. So they have given here, okay, just say for Lyman series. For Lyman series, we know that the value of n is nothing but the 1. Value of n is 1. Okay, orbital value is 1. So just use this relation. 1 upon lambda is nothing but the r divided by n square. So here you will get lambda is equal to, if that lambda will becomes, it will come in a numerator here, and okay, so therefore lambda is nothing but the n square by r. So just you have to put the values. So they have given the value for the lambda, that is 912. So 912, and it is n. Now n is what? N is what? 1. So you will get 1 square upon r. So you will get the value of 1 upon r is a 912. Okay, 912 angstrom. So you have value for 1 upon r. Just put this value in for the other series limits. Now for Balmer series. Okay, now for Balmer series, use this simple relation. Lambda is equal to n square upon r. So but for Balmer, n is 2. Okay, their orbital value is 2. So lambda is equal to that 2 square divided by r. So 2 square is 4, and that 1 upon r is nothing but the 912 here. So you will get the value. Okay, you have to just do a multiplication. 4 into 912, that will be lambda is equal to 3648 angstrom. Then next for third, that is for Paschen series. Okay, now for it, n is equal to 3. So use the relation again, n square divided by r. So you will get 3 square divided by r. So 3 square is 9, and that r is 912. So you will get the value lambda is equal to 3 into 912. You have to just do a basic calculation. Okay, sorry, not 3, 9 into 912. That will be 8208. Okay, and now for last, for say Pfund series. Now for this, n is equal to 4. So therefore you will get lambda is equal to n square upon r. So n square is 4 square divided by r. So it will be 16, and 1 upon r is nothing but the 912. So you will get the value for lambda, that is the, if you calculating this, you will get the value 14592. Okay, so that is the answer here. I hope you will get it.